Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and this week I'm going to share with you how to do a pressed flower bookmark. I'm using this cotton yarn, 3.5 oak, scissors, darning needle. Do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. So to start round 1, I'm going to start with a slip knot. So I'm going to be making a heart for the first step for this bookmark. I'm making a heart, so I'm going to chain 5, and I go into the first chain and do a slip stitch. So into the magic circle, I'm going to start with chain 3. Into the magic circle, I'm going to wrap my yarn twice. I'm going to do a triple crochet. So I do 3 triple crochet into that ring. So that's the first one. So I'm going to yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Repeat that again. So that is 3 triple crochet. Into the same magic circle, I'm going to do 4 double crochets. So that's the first one, and this is the second double crochet. And if you have any confusion, the written pattern is on the screen. So I have 4 double crochet, so I'm going to yarn over twice again and do 1 triple crochet. 1 triple crochet. So now I'm just going to repeat what I did on this side or the other side, but in the other direction. I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the other side, but starting from the other way. So starting with 4 double crochet, 4 doubles. I have 1 more double crochet to do. One double. Now I do 3 triple crochet into the ring or into the circle. 3 triple crochet. So we're just repeating what we did on the other side. So 1 more triple crochet to complete 3 triple crochet there. So this is the 3rd triple crochet, and now what I do is chain 4, and into the magic ring or in the magic circle I do a slip stitch, and then we have the heart shape, and this is the first step. I'm going to chain 1 and cut off my yarn and fasten off. So I have the heart shape here. So I'm going to grab my yarn and fold it in 2 strands. So I fold my yarn in 2. I take enough length for what I'm going to be doing next. So I use my hook to pull the 2 strands between just in the middle of the heart shape, and I just pull up a long loop, and I just take this loop and I take it over. Just take it over like that. I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to take it over the heart and just to tie a knot right on top of the shape of the heart shape. So I insert my hook in the middle and start to chain 35. So I'm going to chain 35. I'm going to meet you at the end. Now I'm at the end of chain 35. I'm at the end. What I'm going to do is now pull up these 2 strands and put them up, and I'm going to cut off one strand of this. I'm going to cut off one strand of the yarn and leave the other. I'm going to continue to work with the other one. I'm going to cut off one strand, and the one that I cut off, the yarn that I cut off the strand, I'm going to use that as a ring. The ring is going to be a base for the stem and the leaf. Into that ring, I'm going to work 1 slip stitch to secure, chain 3. Now into that ring, I'm going to work 4 double crochets. I have 4 double crochets there. I'm going to chain 5, and 5 double crochet into that same ring. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the chain right below, do a slip stitch there, cut off my yarn, chain 1 and just fasten off. So I grab my new yarn, tie a slip knot on the hook, and insert and start with a single crochet as a chain to secure. I'm gonna chain 3, so the single crochet counts as a chain too, so we have chain 4, and into that space I'm going to work 9 triple crochet. This is the last triple crochet. I'm just going to stop there, get my new yarn, tie a slip knot on the yarn. So this, I'm just right there on the last triple crochet. I'm just going to grab my yarn to change the new color. I'm just going to I'm going to finish off with the new color. Pull through the 2 loops, chain 1, turn my work around. I have chain 1, so I go into the first stitch where I chain 1 and do 1 single crochet, chain 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1. So 1 single crochet into every stitch, chain 1 until I get to the end. So I'm on the last single crochet for this round, chain 1. I'm going to go into the chain 4, into the 3rd chain from the chain 4, and do a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. For this row, I'm going to insert my hook into the chain 1 space from the previous row and grab my yarn from the triple crochet, the one I did previously. So if you notice, I did not cut off my yarn. I didn't cut off the yarn when I finished the triple crochet. So I just go into the chain 1 space from the previous row, just pull up that yarn that I used previously and chain 2. So you have to turn your work around, chain 2 half double crochet into the same space where I did chain 2, chain 3. Now into the chain 1 space from the previous row, 3 half double crochet. So 3 half double crochet, chain 3. We're going to repeat that throughout. So we're going to do 3 half double crochet, chain 3 into every chain 1 space from the previous row. And now I go into the next stitch right there in the corner and do a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. I'm done, and this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. I hope you understand. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.